Hey guys, welcome back for the next lecture. For this one, it's actually going to be a fairly quick one, but I thought I'd mention this because this next tool is so useful because you use it on the fly, which means you don't have to do any setup, you just have to highlight and it gives you results. So it's a great checking tool, I'd call it. Okay, now it's called the status bar. Okay, and it's located down here. Now, as you can see right now, it's empty. Okay? Well, watch what happens when I select a bunch of numbers. Okay? As you can see now, it's filled up with values. Now, what Excel does is, it gives you a list of results. As you can see here, just from highlighting, it gives you the average value, which matches to this one. Okay? It gives you the total, which is the sum, 285, the maximum number, which means what is the highest number in the one you've selected, the minimum, which means what is the lowest, the count, which means number of cells with information in them, okay, and the other count is it's a similar thing. Okay, now the reason this is such a powerful tool, and I think most people don't actually know about it, is when you write a formula, you're human, sometimes you make mistakes. In the course of a day, you could be writing tens, hundreds, maybe thousands of formulas, depending on your job and your skill level with Excel. You're going to make mistakes, and sometimes formulas get so complex, you need some way to double check them. The status bar, or I call it the status bar calculator, is perfect for this. So let's say we typed in this average value wrong. Okay, I'm going to change this to take into consideration the total value. Okay, 71.25. Now, at first glance, you may not notice that it's an error. But let's say you wrote the formula and you want to double check. You highlight the area. And as you can see here, the average is 40.71. We have 71.25. Immediately, you know something's wrong. So you double check your formula. And from here, you can make the modification and correct it. Okay. Now, some of you may not actually have values coming out. Now, the reason for that is you got to change the settings. So I'm going to show you that really quickly. What you want to do is double click on this area. Sorry, not double click. Right click on the area. Like so. Now, a bunch of options are going to come up. You want to select the ones that you need. For our case, it's going to be the ones located in this area here. Okay, if I get it just straight. Okay. So if you're not seeing the one that you need, for example, average, I'm going to click it just to show you. If it's not ticked, you're not going to see it. So just tick these ones, average, count, and so on, and you'll have all those values every time you highlight. Okay, so anything you highlight, like so, anything you select, it's going to calculate. Alright, well that's it for me, guys. Just a really quick one on a really useful tool. Have a play with it, see how you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time.